In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a PowerPoint on a Mac. Using a PDF reader, by the end, you'll have a clean PPT file you can edit and present without juggling complicated tools. First, start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat on your Mac. You can do this by launching Acrobat and choosing File, then Open, or by right-clicking your PDF and selecting Open With, then Adobe Acrobat. If it opens in a different app by default, don't worry, just switch over to Acrobat so you have access to the export tools. A quick note, exporting to PowerPoint is an Acrobat feature, so make sure you're using a version that includes export options. With your PDF open, look to the right-hand side of the window for the Export PDF tool. Depending on your layout, you may also see a global bar at the top with an option labeled Convert. Both paths lead to the same place. Choose the one you see. If the right-hand pane isn't visible, you can expand it by clicking the small arrow or selecting View and making sure the Tools panel is shown. When the export options appear, choose Microsoft PowerPoint as your format. Acrobat will convert your PDF into a .pptx file, which is compatible with PowerPoint on Mac and Windows, as well as many other presentation tools. If your PDF is mostly text and images, Acrobat will try to keep the layout, fonts, and spacing intact. If your file is a scanned document, Acrobat may run text recognition behind the scenes to make slides editable. Go ahead and click Export. Acrobat will process the file, and the time it takes depends on the size and complexity of your PDF. You might see a progress indicator, just let it run. This step is where Acrobat interprets each page and translates it into individual slides, preserving headings, body text, shapes, and images as best as possible. When the Save dialog pops up, give your new presentation a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, then choose where to store it. Your desktop or a project folder works well. Click Save, and your PowerPoint file will be created. Once saved, open the .pptx in PowerPoint to review the results. It's normal to make small adjustments, tweak fonts, realign images, or consolidate text boxes for cleaner formatting. If something looks off, check that the fonts used in the PDF are installed on your Mac. Matching fonts often improves layout accuracy. Large, graphic-heavy PDFs may need an extra moment to polish, but the heavy lifting is done. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF to a PowerPoint on your Mac using Adobe Acrobat.